Alright gentlemen, I've gotten your messages and requests, and I'm going to do one that will help you guys out with that first date, or just for Valentine's Day, which is going to be in a couple days. And that is the hairstyle and pomades you should be using for that first date. What is up guys, Pancho Cortez, and I'm here to help you gentlemen out with that relationship, taking it to the next level with that first date. Now when it comes to appearance, it means everything. You have to look best for first impressions and to just really impress her. When it comes to the hair, it says who you are. It gives you an overall look of your style and what you're into, and that is why I'm going to help you guys out with picking out the hairstyle and the pomades that you need to go over that next loop into her bed. So when it comes to the hairstyle, definitely go with something that's going to be easy, versatile, and helpful. That's going to be the side part. Now the reason you want to go with the side part is because there's barely any maintenance to it. It's mostly overlapping hairs, and on top of that, it's just very versatile for when you're in a casual situation or when you have to get a little bit formal. Aside from being a classic hairstyle that's still worn today, it's just perfect and it goes with any pomade you wear. Now when it comes to the overall look of the hair, you can either go with an oil-based pomade or a water-based pomade. The issue is how matte and how shiny should it be? Well, it shouldn't be too shiny and it shouldn't be too matte. It should be right in between. The reason for this though is because when it comes to a super matte pomade, your hair looks dirty, it looks like you haven't washed it, and sometimes the rough look just doesn't work with the first date. As far as a oil-based pomade goes, don't go with something that's too shiny, because guess what? It's going to look really greasy, you're going to look horrible, and it's just very unappealing in the hair. If you guys are trying to save money with a hairstyle, definitely avoid using Murray's and Tres Flores or any other the hair oils such as Brill Cream. The reason why is because while they are affordable and in abundance everywhere, the issue you have with them is they can get overbearing in their scent. They're just too old school and they don't work for that first date, unfortunately. I recommend using a higher end pomade or just one that has a great scent overall. Now I've been doing my research, I looked at different websites, and these were the top scents that women really liked the most. They were lavender, vanilla, wood, citrus, and mint. Now there's a lot of pomades out there that can accommodate these, I'll assure you that. One pomade that would fit the mint department would be the Tea Tree by Paul Mitchell. It's got very nice minty scent, it's very clean, and on top of that, it's something that is a water-based pomade, so it's easy to wash out. A few others that I would recommend would be the Iron Heritage Model T pomade that accommodates both the vanilla and tobacco scent that you like in a pomade, because it's a little bit bold, but you get that sweet contrast from the vanilla. Iron Society with their pomade, it's very bold. It's got a nice tobacco scent as well, just pure tobacco, but it's very subtle and it just has a stronger feel. Something like lavender, you could easily go for the Suavecito Premium Blends pomade. Just the original, I would not recommend the matte whatsoever because that one is garbage. Boardwalk pomade also has a great sandalwood scent to it as well. I would really recommend it if you don't want to work with an oil-based pomade and want to work with a water-based that has a good hold and good scent. This is one of the ones you should go to as well. In the citrus department, check out Fisticuffs and Cillian's. They both accommodate that. Cillian's has a balsam and citrus scent. You play a little bit off the two with the sweet citrus, but then also give it a bold balsam scent. With Fisticuffs, you get that clean citrus scent, and these are ones that will attract her a lot. Remember guys, you always want to look your best for that first date. You want to impress her, and it's just important because you want to get that second, third date, and then you really just want to have that fruitful relationship. What better way to start than with your hair? Thanks for watching guys. Like, share, and subscribe for more.